Welcome to our beautiful new listing here in Eastlake, Seattle.
This condo is in a beautiful historic building, just minutes from downtown and Capitol Hill and much, much more. Let's go check it out. The first thing you notice about this home is all of the fine details. We have a lot of pieces that are historical and also period appropriate.
A few details I love about this home are the curved archways, ceilings, and the real hardwood floors.
Here in your living room, you have beautiful windows that look out to your well-maintained courtyard. You also have a fireplace here and period appropriate lighting. Let's go check out the rest of the home. Here we have your south-facing windows, your dining area. Through this door, you also have your own back entrance, really private, as well as access to your storage unit downstairs.
Through another curved archway, you'll find the kitchen.
I love that this home has built-in storage as well as a full bathroom for your needs.
Here we're in the primary bedroom where we have a beautiful view of the courtyard. This home also includes an in-unit washer and dryer as well as a newer hot water tank.
Eastlake has so much to offer. We're so close to Gasworks Park, Volunteer Park. There's so many cute shops and restaurants right down the street here.
Thank you so much for joining us today and look forward to seeing you at one of our upcoming open houses.